Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari and today I am going to create this look. I have already done my base. Now I am filling in my eyebrows with a grey colored eye pencil. I am cleaning the edges with a concealer as well as applying the concealer on my eyelids to create a base for my eyeshadow. I am using this color first. Beginners may find it difficult to blend the eyeshadow directly on the crease, so in this tutorial I am going to start my makeup from the lids. Next I am using this dark brown color on the outer view of my eye. I am going to blend this color into my crease as well. When you are blending the color, remember to hold the brush as away from the bristles as possible. By doing that, you can move your hand freely and blend the color in a better way. Next I am going in with this color over the last color I used with a fluffy brush. Next I am using this dark brown color on my lower eyelids. I am using this light shade to highlight my brow bone as well as the inner corners of my eye. I am cleaning the edges with a concealer. Next I am applying kohl on the waterline as well as I am going to tightline my eyes. I am applying 2 coats of mascara. I am not applying any falsies here. Next I am finishing the rest of my makeup. I am using the shade Brazen Raisin by Sugar. So this is the finished look guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.